2017 ScienceofSpeed Dream Project Acura NSX. Acura rolled into Sema last year with its non-hybrid NSX GT3 race car. That spec-series competitor pulled to Vegas on a trailer behind a GT3-themed Acura MDX. Sticking with the GT3 theme this year but going road legal, Acura worked with Arizona-based ScienceofSpeed on a GT3 package that NSX owners can put in driveways. The result is the lower, more powerful, more wing-wide NSX Dream Project. Liquid-cooled injecting for the twin-turbo boosts output, adding 37 horsepower for a total of 610, and another 31 pound-feet of torque to register 507. A lightweight steel exhaust sheds 16 pounds and bestows those magnified numbers with magnified base. A custom suspension drops the coupe by a little more than an inch. A custom iLIFT suspension add-on automatically raises the front axle 2 inches if the NSX detects a hurdle.